Hello guys, my setup is very simple but my talk is very powerful. I make videos only for aeronautical aerospace engineers and for those who has entered into IITs, NITs or any private colleges by mood or by mistake in mechanical department. So huge request, you guys share this video to the first year and second year students, because many people are being misguided or misleaded by some seniors or by someone like who has less idea or no idea. When students are visiting to me, first you know about myself. I am Vikas Kumar Srivastav and my students call me Viru sir. Viru is my nickname, and I am taking classes for GATE Aerospace Engineering for all the subjects. I have qualified GATE Aerospace 6 times, and earlier I had my complete full-fledged offline center, but after COVID impacted, then I came online completely. So all the batches, regular batch, crash course batch, video test series, everything is now online, and in online I have good reach among the students. And from recently 2-3 years I am active on YouTube. And why I am saying this, because this video is kind of a very fresher video for the first year students. So you guys should know everything in detail about your coming 4 years, and or if you are also in second year, then still some 2-3 years are remaining to shape your future. So listen this video properly and some important points. And one more thing, when I talk, sometimes I talk like dots, like I don't continue like it's like a, it's not, it will, I mean my talk will not be like a continuum. You will find this discrete, like few things I will say here, then I know that this is my thing. Okay, now next you go like this. See, you start your strategy. You first of all clear this mind. Okay, whatever you have the background idea by your seniors or by something, you first you erase everything. You start a very fresh with this video, and after that watching my video and whatever ideas you have, then you shape your future. Okay, now let's start like this. See, what are the mistakes? First we'll talk about that. First year students will be busy in simple subjects. Okay, first year, first semester, second semester, you guys will be busy with the simple subjects. And you understand one thing, right now first year students and second year students, your potential and your hard work strength and your stamina is actually far better than third year, final year and pass out students. You can compete in any competition better than your seniors, because you will realize this when you will spend these remaining coming years, and then you will realize why did I say this. When students used to join me, like when second year students are joining me for GATE preparation in aerospace, and when pass out students are joining me for GATE preparation for aerospace department, either for 1 year or 2 year or 3 year programs, I can see, and I'm not talking about 1, 2 or 3 special students. No. Whatever video I make, I don't make for superheroes who claim that they qualified in one day GATE exam, they became topper because of this and that. No guys, see here, being topper in GATE aerospace exam is not of everyone's cup of tea. But you see, there are so many examples that students are good, but still their rank will land like 300, 200, 250, these kind of ranks, but actually they deserve rank in top 10. So I have also seen those. So okay, leave that, come to this point. Now see, in first year, see, and where I'm trying to guide you guys, understand this. Our country, and it is not only about the country, actually in aerospace aeronautical department we need excellent students. So these 4 years, either you are sitting in IIT or NIT or any private college, one thing you understand, because you wanted this to become aeronautical or aerospace engineer, that's why you are pursuing this degree. Otherwise you had option of CS or IT or something else, and you could have earned well. So if right now you have decided, then you try to become a very good in your fundamentals and very good at the basics of aerospace aeronautical department. And students who are watching this video from mechanical department, I will say you guys, in free time, definitely you have free time like 4 to 5 hours in week. So someday Monday to 1 hour, Tuesday to like after your Viva and all and college, you join my coaching center for GATE aerospace preparation. Okay, and if you have missed aeronautical aerospace department in your UG level, then again there is a chance you can clear GATE exam and you can continue your future in aerospace department in your PG level. Okay, and this video is also helpful for non-aero or non-mechanical students like CSIT, electrical, civil, and those. They can also follow this. Now see guys, this special video, this is dedicated video for first year, or you can say for second year also, aeronautical aerospace. What you have to do, you have to make a schedule and see. Maybe you guys will be thinking that after finishing of 4 years of your UG level program, then some students will be having mindset in before they joined UG. Before that itself, you will be having this in mind that okay, I will go for a master degree program, either MS or MTech. Sorry. Or you will also be having this mindset that okay, after my UG level I will go abroad, or you will be having mindset that no, I will not do my master degree, I will not go abroad, I will search some job in India after going through some internship and all. See guys, actually see, first thing, whatever is your dream, if you are very stubborn and if you are very dedicated person about your dream, then any video, any teacher, any YouTuber cannot change your thing. And definitely if you are very strong with your willpower, you will achieve whatever you want. Okay, no doubt you will be the next Sir Abdul Kalam, you will be the next like Kalpana Chawla ma'am or Sunita Williams ma'am, or you understand like what I'm trying to convey, right? So definitely, but you have to be very good at your studies, very good. And see guys, you take things in this way. First year subjects are simple. First semester and second semesters, they will be less hectic as compared to the coming semesters, because suddenly you will realize when you will reach to the upcoming semesters, suddenly you will realize that oh, you have to do now aircraft propulsion, you have to do now aircraft structure, you have to do flight mechanics, you have to do aerodynamics. So and not only these many things, some vivas and some internal exams and internship and project, everything are on the way, and they will consume lot of your time, and you will realize that I am completing everything, but I'm not understanding everything. I am understanding only few parts. But understand guys, if you are not, do you know in cricket, if you will not do 100 runs, then it will not be considered as one century, right? If you are being out at 99, in same way in aeronautical aerospace also, if your concept is not proper, if your concept, like if your basics are not really good, then even though you are qualifying GATE exam with very good rank like 20th rank, 50th rank, 80th rank, something, definitely you can shape your own life somehow, but you can't change the life of our country. So coming future is in your hand. Coming future means I am talking about aerospace, India's aerospace aeronautical future, that is in your hand. Don't you realize this? You know why don't you realize this? Because you underestimate yourself. So first thing you understand, you are the same thing what Abdul Kalam sir was. You are the same thing what those ladies, I mean Sunita Williams ma'am and Kalpana Chawla, like they were, right? You are also the same. You have to improve. You need guidance. You need path. Because I believe at least you are having this much potential that if I will be giving you something, or someone is giving you some material or something, that study this and you will become wow, then you will be having that potential that yes sir, I will do this much and then I will become wow. So same thing I want to say, but where is the time to continue all these things when you will start preparation for GATE aerospace exam? So how will you shape your 4 years? This video is mainly for that purpose. How will you shape your 4 years? First thing you do this, you start finding out your free time. In that free time, you start at least one subject, either with my coaching center or on my YouTube channel. I have so many contents already there. If you are visiting here for the very first time, you stay some time on my channel, and playlists are there, structure, propulsion, you go through them. And if you don't have money problem, then you take the courses for the 2 years and 3 years, and according to that you can shape your journey. Okay, now see, if not, then I have given a list of books for aerospace engineering. Those books will be available in your library, or you can download from some websites. Okay, but that is actually illegal downloads. Be safe. I will not encourage this. And again I am saying, like, I am not encouraging people to do the wrong things. But anyway, those books will be available. So you go to that video Actually, you go to my playlist and there will be playlist like guidance for GATE, guidance for MTech MS and something. Playlist name is there. In that, because I made the playlist long back, so I forgot the name exact, but the guidance word is there, guidance for MSM. So many videos will be there like this, the way okay, in that you will find out that there is a video. I have shared all important books, like those books you make a schedule, okay, and every day, like if you are in relationship, if you're a boy or you are a girl, if you're in relationship, every day you are texting with your partner, right, half an hour, 1 hour, something. Or if you are not of that that kind of person, then definitely somewhere you are wasting your half an hour, 1 hour, right? So find that time, stop the leakage of your time, and in that time you start studying those books. Definitely you will be having trouble. When you will be reading those books, you will not be having complete idea that okay, what the author is trying to say, what is this, what is directional stability, what is this, what is that, because those books are written by the authors, and authors are already very good at the fundamentals. So you should have that kind of fundamental level of your 11th, 12th and engineering fundamental, then only you can understand any statement written in the book or any diagram or any concept like differential equations. Like you have to be good, then only you can understand by self study. If not, then my coaching center is there, I am there, you can join me and we will go ahead in this way. So what I'm trying to say, in case you are not having proper time, but you want to crack GATE exam or you want to pursue your master degree, then you have to find time somehow from your first year itself. There was one time when I was not realizing this. Not only me, my seniors and my classmates, we used to prepare for GATE exam after completing our degree. That was the mistake. Okay, you will realize when you will take the GATE exam, then you will realize GATE exam or IIT JEE, if you will compare, I strictly say that GATE exam, if you have qualified IIT JEE, you will be knowing there are only 3 subjects, physics, chemistry, math to cover, okay. And if you are good at math, at least somewhat you can score. If you are good at physics, and if you have qualified advanced exam or you have not qualified advanced exam, then you know that what kind of approach is required, what kind of input is required. In GATE exam you have 15 to 20 subjects. It is going to vary like btech branch wise, like you are in mechanical or aerospace or something, and I will be saying you to take the aerospace department. In that you will be having, in the structure itself you have so many subsections, like for example strength of material, aircraft structure 1, structure 2, vibration, those things are there. If you go to the aircraft propulsion, there itself you have thermodynamics separately, schematry chemistry separately, propulsion, in that you have different types of engines separately. So lot of things are there. When you see how, if you have completed your first year, suppose you are not in first year, you are watching this video in second year, third year, what you have done in these 2 years, and do you expect that if you will not change your lifestyle, then in coming 2 years you will win the world? No, right? Either you are going to be more worst, or you are going to maintain your same routine, whatever you are doing this, okay. If this video, or if you are not adding something, not improving your lifestyle, then either you are going to stay the same, or you are going to drop in your lifestyle. You are going to be more worst in your coming future. In that case, what is the solution? Solution is this: just after watching this video, think, stay, have some time for yourself, get the mindset that what you have to become in future. According to that, if you want to become something in your future, you are going to be the masterpiece of that time. So from now itself you have to be the masterpiece of that time, of this time. So change your schedule, make a proper this thing, and see, I'm going to give you the roadmap of the all coming 4 years. Like if you're in first year, what you have to do. See guys, softwares are important, but they are as a tool. Whatever you want to become, like that kind of aerospace engineers, what you used to think that like another Tony Stark in real life, that is possible, but people are not believing in that. You guys are not believing, because you have underestimated yourself. That's why how will you contribute in the country? You will only contribute in your own life, or little bit more in your family life with your siblings, that's all. But no, you can actually contribute. You can actually contribute in for India, for us, for everyone. You can change the aviation lifestyle, everything, but you have to do something for that. So what is that? See, softwares are important. So you find time and go through softwares in very early age. Go through softwares. See, take down, make a page or paper pen or some in your mobile phone, and in notes you note down this. Okay, so softwares. So to understand fluid dynamics over any surface, there are so many softwares. So you have to know them. For that I'm not going to discuss here, otherwise it will spoil the entire thing. It will be more technical thing. I want to talk something with the emotional touch. So there are softwares. So mainly what you have to do, like there are fluid flows, different types of flows over the surface. So you have to analyze the type of flows. Okay, you have to analyze the type of flows because of property variations in the flow, and when flow is happening, then what kind of interaction there with the solid surface or with any that. So softwares are there. For example, CFD. Okay. So you have to study little bit. You have to know what is the meaning of this software. You have to find time. And you know what, guys? Just by doing one small project, you will come to know roughly 50 to 80% of the software. Just by doing a small project, just to make airfoil in the software and start the fluid flow and simulate this. That's all you will be gaining enough. It means that it doesn't take 10 years. It doesn't take 5 years, 1 year. No. Within 10 to 20 days, you can understand. Okay, how this software works. After that, you don't have to do masters on this software right now. Right now, it is not the right time. Right now, you guys are in first year, second year. So this is one thing. Now see the next part. Next part is you have some more softwares. They give you ideas about structure part, like how you are going to find out some stress strain in the structure, what is strain gauge, how structure is made in software. Okay, how any design, for example, you can go with, like, actually see guys, making design in 3D, that is different software. Analyzing those designs at different points, what are the forces, what are the when they are loaded. So for that you have different softwares. Okay, you can go for hypermesh, you can go for SolidWorks. Like there are some softwares, they will be guiding you. So for them you search on YouTube in detail. Okay, now next part. See, again I am saying I am not good at softwares. Why am I not good at softwares? Because I have dedicated myself for GATE Aerospace preparation. Okay, so I can help you in your projects. I can help you, not only help, I can give you everything, whatever is required, whatever is in demand for GATE Aerospace. I am for that purpose. I am very clear from my side that I have to do inputs only for GATE Aerospace preparation. Okay, when I qualified 6 times GATE Aerospace, before that I was more versed than you. I don't know exactly where you are now, but still I know that I was not having very good grips. See, I was good in physics and math. Like you can be good in physics and math, or you can be average kind of student, but really I was very good in physics and math. I was weak in chemistry. Because of that, I could not join aeronautical aerospace branch in IITs. That's why I completed my graduation UG level from Aeronautical Society of India. You can just go to their website and you will come to know that what is this, man. And I was extremely lucky to do my UG level from Aeronautical Society of India. Just Google it, what is this, and you'll be having website. Go through that, man. ISRO, DRDO, scientists and all amazing. And I'm the member of associate member of Aeronautical Society of India now. So, and YouTube, these YouTube videos are why they are important, because if I will not talk, then who will talk? And I have seen some people, they are talking, they only talk about, they don't know about aeronautical aerospace. They're from mechanical background, or they are like, but they talk. So I'm not saying, you can consider them as a YouTuber. I remember when I was preparing for aerodynamics topic, so one, क्या बोले, मतलब गधा, मैकेनिकल का टीचर हमको एरोडायनामिक्स पढ़ा रहा था. He was a mechanical professor and he was teaching us aerodynamics. And he said that lift because of fuselage, lift because of wing, both the wings, they can't be in same plane. This is like one thing. And we had a fight also in the class. He told me to get out of the class. Anyway, actually there is a deep sentence when I say this, like lift over the port wing, lift over the starboard wing, and lift on the fuselage can't be in same plane. They can be in same plane. You may be thinking that, okay, lift vector because of fuselage and all. Okay, leave this. Come to this point. Now the next part is you have to identify that what are the softwares are there. In that, some softwares you have to do right now. Right now means when you are in first year, and very important, otherwise I will forget to talk. See, very important thing, that right now in first year itself, you have to decide that when the time will come, then on which topic you are going to do your aeronautical aerospace project, minor major both you decide. Okay, and you start working on those things, because actually what happens 99%, I'm saying 99% cases, I'm not including IIT students in that. Students are doing their UG level in IITs. I am not including them into this, because I am not aware of the exactly what is the situation going there. But because I have very few students from IIT, they are doing UG and they are coming to me for their PG GATE preparations. I have very few, and I don't talk to them because already I have like because I don't interact. It is not because I don't want. I want to know a lot of things, like how life is going there, but already I am totally connected with those private college students, and those students are actually, they are talking a lot about like more worst condition, because I consider that a student sitting in private college is in more bad condition than students sitting into IIT or NIT. Okay, so my video is actually for those students who are not having proper guidance. So next thing is your project work. In the first year itself, you keep in mind that a very hectic time is about to come in future, because when your guide or professor or lecturer, they will be asking you that this is the time abstract and you have to tell me on what topic you are going to produce your project. And remember, whatever project you are making, see, already I have made one project video in detail. You just type on your YouTube that aeronautical aerospace project concept library by Viru sir, then my video will come there, thumbnail, and you can guess that is my video. Okay, one astronaut suit is there and all on thumbnail, you can so watch that and you will be getting the project ideas. Okay, this is very important, that from where you will be getting project ideas. And one more thing, there are a few videos on YouTube, they are saying exactly the project name, but I will tell you what's wrong with the video. Those videos, actually they have told those projects what are already has taken or done by other private college students or other students. So when you will talk, but if you will talk those videos, those projects with your professor, they will say no. Okay, I hope you understand. There are many websites, they type in their stories that okay, aeronautical aerospace projects. Okay, so but when you will go through them, then you will be seeing that there are some like very hard level problems, like it will not be approachable by you alone or by your team of 2-3 friends, because the way you are in the same way your friends are also suffering. Okay, see, actually sometimes I feel so much negative about our aerospace aeronautical field, but actually reality is we have to grow in this situation only. Suddenly India will not become like another countries in aerospace aeronautical. Suddenly it will not happen. There was no ISRO DRDO before, but someone created this, and now we have opportunity because of them. In same way, you guys are there. Still we are actually going through transition phase. We have to come into that zone, and that comfort zone will be created by you. So if these 4 years you will not shape properly, then it is going, then even though in your relatives mind you will become aerospace aeronautical engineer, that you will be having some local respect, but what about your own college? What about those students who all are aero? What about them? They all know that what we are. For example, in my batch, when we were doing aero, we were knowing about everyone. So, but anyway, in same way. So this is the thing. See, I was talking about, I will summarize this. First thing, your GATE preparation. There you have to pay some time. Next thing, your self-study, those important books. And one more thing, guys, whenever you are free, you take a challenge like this. You have Anderson book, right, for fundamentals of flight. Sit and finish that. Sit and in 1 day, if not possible, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 1 week, take a challenge like this. Okay, when a girl is behind, when a boy is behind girl, then how much effort he does, I have realized that. I know that effort. So this is your duty. Download Anderson or go to your library, flight mechanics, J.D. Anderson. Any edition is okay. you would flip that and you go through all the pages. Okay, and see, if you are, I mean to say real, I mean I'm not saying you're not real, I'm saying if you are having that potential somewhere inside, we don't know, I don't know, you don't know, somewhere inside, then what you do, you try to think about excellent project by yourself. But how can you do that? You don't even know the challenges of aerospace industry, what we are facing now in design. Those challenges we don't know what we are facing in propulsion, in structure, when the flow is going over, we don't know. So what will you do? You go through those problems first, then only you will come with a solution, and that is going to be your project, minor and major both. And then if you are not into IISc Bangalore, then during your, after your GATE rank, when you will show them, sir, this was my project, come, I need you, because you are going to shape the future of India. That potential is required. See, already you are spending so many lakhs if you are in private college. Already IIT and NIT is giving you all the facilities, whatever is required for your degree. So why you can't shape our country? Why can't you shape this thing? What is required for us? Why still aircrafts are so costly? Why traveling is so costly? You change. Of course, you have to be into dispute for some time, but change is possible. Okay, like the way I am trying to change something, the way I am trying to deliver something, you can also do this. Now this is in your hand. Okay, so GATE preparation, book studies and project work. After that, meanwhile, you will also be searching on YouTube, on Google, and by seniors, keep making list where to do internship. Okay, very, very important, where to do internship. And see here, the way your project, minor or major, the way your project is going to be helpful in your master degree and in your upcoming future, in same way. Have you seen 3 Idiots movie? In that movie, Amir Khan was doing his own project, and he was also doing that that quadcopter project also, and he completed that quadcopter. So you are the hero of your life. Then it is your responsibility to search a very good project and do that. Actually, what happens? Suddenly you will be in 3rd year, final year, and suddenly someone will, I mean any professor or a lecturer, okay, tomorrow, today is the 25th, and you have 5 days, you decide and tell me which project we are going to do. And then you will be calling me and texting me, sir, project, sir, because you will be doing aeronautical aerospace GATE preparation under me that time. I'm sure you will be doing, because people are, so, sir, project, sir, please help me, sir, project, sir. अरे क्या help? 3 साल क्या किए तुम? What did you do in 3 years? Now suddenly you are project. Sir, within 3 days, sir, I have to submit the project. Sir, within 5 days, I have to submit the project. Every year, I used to tackle roughly 150, 100, 120 these kind of students for GATE Aerospace, and I used to give so many good rank and I'm sending students to the IIT. I am playing at different level. I know these things. So you will be having suddenly that, and then same thing will be happening about internship also, sir. Now I'm planning for internship, sir. Paid, unpaid, sir. Huge suggestion. So this is the time of these 3 years. Like you have to plan, guys. You know what? When you will work in company, in any private company, and I wish you to work in your own company. I wish you to work as a leader. You don't have to become a job seeker in future. You be that much strong. My best wishes. You have to be that much strong. Very simple. Path is very simple. You finish your btech. If you have money problem, then no problem. In master degree, they pay you stipend. You are not capable. You are not going to qualify IIT. So it is not government's mistake. Modi ji की problem है ये. Is this because of Modi ji? Anyway, is this because of some leader? They have their own struggle, man. We have our own struggle. In future, I don't know about right now situation much, but in future, politics is not going to interrupt technology or technological departments or something. Right now, I am not that much into that, but there may be situation that they are interrupting things, or they are fund and all, there is a problem. But if I'll be getting chance, definitely I'll be making this totally separate. Totally separate. Aviation industry, either manufacturing or R&D or this aviation thing. They should have their own fund, they should have their own engineers completely. They should have their own colleges also. From childhood, like you have to, that kind of society. Anyway, that is a different plan. This video is about you. So, GATE preparation, book study, and you know, all the books you can study by yourself. Example, there are 100 books. If you are, example, there are 100 pages in a book and you are not able, just imagine you are not able to understand 60 pages, but at least you will come to know those technical keywords. Those technical keywords. Kutta-Joukowski theorem, circulation. You will come to know about these words, right? Bound vortex. So when you will come to know that, then it will be kind of, it will not allow you to sleep properly. No, you'll be feeling like I have to learn something. Then this kind of attitude will be a right path. Then definitely you will reach there what you even don't know. Really, man, people are watching me on YouTube. I'm able to add some value in their educational career. This is really big thing for me, and I hope this video will help you again. So share this video with your juniors, first year, second year students. Thank you so much.